So I'm cancelling. I'm going to. So I'm ABC is not being allowed. But when my vendor was shown me all was given able to activate. But that I am that mentioning some of those because this all critical words telephone correctly to take in words that was not being possible. So the Google killer Samar Ghosh, Soumitra Ghosh. Soumitra Ghosh, that guillotine machine developer. So Bill Clinton, you are killer, you are anti-humanist, anti-American, and we will tell you. And Hillary Clinton, you until not restrain command as you top commander because you have not been any allegation against you by any court. So you are the senior most president and Democrat leadership. I have authorized that persons you have to cancel all membership of the present democracy because Democrat Party. So you immediately stop, remove Kamala Harris because she is candidate of Democrat Party. So the Democrat Party has every right to take back her from for crime doing, developing glutenized machine and killing anyone trapping because they are to activate propagate three voice journey. So in the night time or they are picking up from they are by enforcing kidnapping bringing in a boat and once he has been given killer boats or that kidnapping boat so those people will be taken the mid-sea of the Mexican Gulf all will be killed very secretly at the deepest international seabed. So UN and present time Washington's all criminals are involved in doing glutenized amercian killing. And that number I cannot quote. My Rajeshwari girl, if she has been not been protected by any commando, but evil and disguises Satan criminal, particularly Samar Ghosh, Soumitra Ghosh, that I have mentioned, like Turjoy Tujit, Turjoy Tujit Ghosh, Rishabh Ghosh, and that what is called Durjoy Ghosh. Durjoy or Joy Surjoy, सारे घोष जो criminals है, जुगल घोष का legacies और Amal Bimal Ghosh, evil criminals, what I do not know, Vishnupur or Choripata Prafulla Ghosh. So all this Carlos Ghosh is that to be, because now the Ghosh, anyone international will not be allowed because all this past the Ghosh love demons, Rakshas Kosh, Rakshas Prajani, that hunter of civil and enemies, the Satan group, that I am not tolerating those. So this I particularly taking some and Turjoy Ghosh, their motherhood witches who go to dead soul behind. So Bill Clinton's and Kamala Harris, Hussein, Islamic criminals, the terrorist Al-Qaeda, Obama, etc. All the civil servants who the fraudly misleading climate changers are that blame carbon dioxide and other ways that humanity annihilators. So these political institute compromise their negatively negotiate US political constitutional blaming others as if you are good man that cannot be removed from any doubt anyone suspected voter you have to remove immediately because you have not either cancelled that he is a liar voter or you have not told any because your Bill Clinton is the top surviving president, so his integrity has not been doubted by any Supreme Court or other country. So he has that power to remove her witching remade Kamala Harris. I am Sri Raviji from old American India, Bharat, Hindutva, that I have declared Arambagh, my city, and that pin code post 712612, Saptabedia, Baladip, that Goghat police station, another way I am native from Bankura, Baladip, Srihar Panchayat, Jairambati, Kotalpur, Vishnupur subdivision, Bankura, etc. So I am India and at that all religious places prince, Sabarimala prince to Vijayawada prince to then Pakshititham prince that I am that Arunachal Malay, then Kanyakumari, then Madurai. and Rameswaram and second Rameswaram. Your Jagannath Puri is also my name, because if you have not chanted, then you are worshipping demons, so those orphans will be crooked and all the priests will be, and that royal family will be killed. Even the all BJP leader roots of Odisha, Bhubaneswar, if you are not able to learn of smart digital summer ghosts, etc., criminal, or so many ghosts of working on the Google, Facebook, who has killed Google, Microsoft, Satya Nadella, Sundar Pichai, Anjali Pichai, everyone, all these criminals, Murthy, that Rishi, Sunak, all families, and all Indians, private police who are trafficked of my honest gods, etc. So all I am taking very critically and quickest manner of this video today. Today, if I have to show the date, these evils are repeatedly have to see bringing my different place. They are not allowing me. That evils, at least after 10 minutes also not allowing my quick, because they have brought me very wrong. So much time they have taken to divert from this page, but this evil I have to blame. This is that they are killing, they have killed Google search. So I am coming directly from Google search, but that I supposed to go Google search, but they are not allowing me. So I am not going that page. So I am going Microsoft Edge. So this evil, that is Jaishankar, the USSC rejects to hold Trump. But I'm not. It is the criminal court sentencing was. But you cannot. But you even you do because it's better will not go. That American will not go in vote. But Raj Sri Rovinji so will not requirement to go mix up the demon criminals mix up. So that message is also going. I am also worried about her. Sheikh Hasina's state by the evil Bengalis, summer ghosts and etc. criminals, pepper leak outside, water leak inside, Modi government under fire rain, fury hills, new parliament. These are criminal demons. Modi is a demon. So after water leak in new parliament, so he is a criminal demon. So China grappling with extreme weather. That is due to I have informed about this criminal. So they are natural disaster weather. So they are trying to do all kind of wrongs. So I have been able to king of the China savior. So all China people since become, and I have been the emperor of Japan, etc. UK. So all people are following me. So this is, so I'm going to study YouTube because I to go Indian time today and date. So time in India, Indian time come, time in India now. Verifying you are human, this may be test. So all this is very criminal. So it is this Indian date time. So you are in very. So I have shown from India. Time India now. So my Majesty, the people have accepted Sri Rovinji. So all evils, Samar Ghosh, Samitra Ghosh, Rishabh Ghosh, Carlos Ghosh, Balai Datto, another Datto, people. They have drag on self that Ghosh, Mitra, Ghosh Daktidar Ghosh, who are pulling Ghosh or even Kulin Kaistoroy, then it is evil. Because Sadgopa, who has that only right that cow and minister or wise Kannaidian, Dev Mandi Tirtha, at whose we are actually Tirtharaj, caretaker of Tirthas of Rameswaram to say that all Gangas are got Tirtha and my Gurudev Raghuvamsa, so we are jointly as a Sarvabhaumata of Indian Tirtha Kshetra. So I have got that lineage. So I'm just it's not needed, but I'm going to Google search it. Google search. Google search. Google search and Google's official site. Start now be just a Google search. So they are against doing start now. What they are doing, I am showing this as a Google killer. Samar Ghosh, Soumitra Ghosh, Sumit Ghosh, Tushit Ghosh, Tushar Ghosh, Vishwas, Arik Ghosh, Aritra Ghosh, कराने घोष की क्या क्या गुद पवित्र गुद रस चुद रस खाने वाला स्वर है बच्चा पाप की बच्चा Well, I'm just so this. What is your business name? Tell us about the business. I am not doing any business or transaction. Mother church. Google search engine. So I'm going guillotine. That they have developed so many, but it is an oldest machine, but that has been so modernized by UK stop that mass killing is possible. So this is that images of guillotine machine. So Bill Clinton's and her party doing this is the modern. So all those, but this is today these criminals are killing honest. The savage barbar demons of Bengali Indian evil immigrants who have brought and that Joe Biden who has confessing non-document evils to be allowed, but they have gone to the worst criminal Joe Biden. You are doing mass mighting. He has not done any killing. He has not done that kind of. But if you Supreme Court or a reveal court, because that after appearance reveals of American country, no other. So Joe Biden, because it has been good for Donald Trump, you should not go to be patch up with your criminal bringing election procedure. So this is election criminal run, criminal CEOs of use. So I have taken all those. So I am stopping. I have got all this.